Top 5 Best 12-Volt Air Compressor. Number 5. VIAIR Heavy Duty Onboard Air System. VIAIR's Heavy Duty Onboard Air System is a great all-in-one compressed air solution that you mount on your vehicle. If you're after a 12-volt air compressor that inflates tires, actuates an air horn, and can power your air tools, this is a great choice. The VIAIR Onboard Air System is a mid-range system that features a 150 psi, 33% duty cycle compressor. It works quickly, putting out 2.54 CFM flow at 0 psi. This onboard air system comes complete with a 2.5-gallon air tank, and all the components you need to install it on your rig. It can inflate tires up to 35 inches, it can also power air tools, manage airbag suspensions, and more. Overall, the VIAIR Heavy Duty Onboard Air System is really versatile and a great 12-volt air compressor if you like to venture off-road and you want a little workshop with you. Pros: well built, super handy, easy installation. Cons: a bit heavy. Coming in number 4. GSPSCN 12-volt portable air compressor. The GSPSCN is a great all-around portable 12-volt air compressor. You can inflate anything from pool toys, bike tires, truck tires to RV to tires. It's lightweight and it comes in an Oxford bag, which means you can easily take it anywhere you go. The GSPSCN air compressor uses a high-quality direct-drive motor with a double metal cylinder. It's a low rotating speed and high-efficiency pump that is powerful enough to inflate most car tires. This 12-volt air compressor comes with a cigarette lighter with a built-in 25A fuse, an 11.5-foot power cord, and a 1.8-foot inflation tube. It also includes a battery clamp and 3 adapters for bikes, balls, pool toys, etc. The high-quality screw connector connects tightly to the tire gas mouth and inflates a standard car tire in 2 minutes. Overall, the GSPSCN tire inflator is a fast and reliable 12-volt air compressor that will help you maintain the correct tire pressure on your vehicle, on the road, and off-road. Pros: maximum pressure of 150 psi. Very fast 2.5 CFM inflation. Lightweight. Cons: air hose a bit short. Coming in number 3. VIAIR 300P 12-volt air compressor. We really liked the VIAIR 300P because it's an affordable 12-volt air compressor that doesn't skimp on inflation power and features. The VIAIR 300P portable air compressor may not be automatic like 400P or 450P, but just like its larger counterparts, it comes with some awesome extras. It comes with a storage bag, an extension hose, and a variety of attachments for inflating things besides tires, like pool toys and sports balls. Despite its smaller size, it still packs in a lot of inflation power, with a maximum pressure of 150 psi. Its 2.3 CFM inflation rating makes it efficient to quickly inflate tires of up to 33 inches. The VIAIR 300P offers great value for money and is an excellent option if you don't have the budget for an automatic portable air compressor. Plus, when you buy a VIAIR air compressor, you know you're buying from one of the best-regarded manufacturers out there. VIAIR also stands by their product with a 1-year limited warranty. Even if this model is not automatic, overall, this is great quality and reliable portable air compressor. It packs in most of the great features of the VIAIR 400P, in a more compact size with even greater portability. Pros: maximum pressure of 150 psi. Very fast 2.3 CFM inflation. Built-in PSI gauge. Cons: not automatic. Coming in number 2. VIAIR 450P RV 12-volt air compressor kit. If you need a quality 12-volt air compressor to reliably inflate the tires on your RV, the VIAIR 450P RV was designed for you. But the best part is, you can use the 450P RV air compressor for just about anything you need to inflate. With the extras package, you have all the necessary attachments to inflate your tires, as well as things like sports balls and even the kinds of items that you would normally have to inflate manually or with your own mouth, like pool toys and air mattresses. We like the tire inflation gun that comes with it. This piece is particularly convenient, as its trigger allows for automatic starting and stopping without having to shut it off at the compressor. It even features a bleeder button that drains air out of the tire if you overinflate it. The 450 PRV has a duty cycle of 100%, which may be a bit slower filling than the 400 PRV, but it can be run continuously at 100 psi for up to an hour before you need to let it cool down, as opposed to 20 minutes with the 400 PE. We consider this a good reason enough to make the 450 PRV a winner for our VISA Pros. Two 30-feet coiled air hoses can join to make a 60-foot hose. Lots of extras for RVs, automatic shutoff. Cons gets quite hot. Coming in number 1. VIAIR 400P 12-volt air compressor. The VIAIR 400P automatic portable air compressor is our pick for the best RV 12-volt tire inflator. This is the one we have been using for the last 3 years on our Land Cruisers 33-inch tires and our camper, and it's never let us down. One thing you'll notice right away is that the features in our review of the VIAIR 12-volt air compressors are going to seem pretty similar. That's because the VIAIR 400P and the VIAIR 450 PRV are similar in the sense that they are both automatic air compressors. There are some key differences, though, between these two versions. The main differences being related to each model's CFM and duty cycle. The 400P runs at 2.3 CFM, compared to the slower 1.8 CFM of the 450P model. The 450 PRV boasts a 100% duty cycle that is continuous, and the 400P has a duty cycle of 33%. This gives the 400P faster inflation power, but they do recommend to let it cool down after 20 minutes of continuous use. If you're debating on whether you should get the lower or higher CFM model, it depends on the amount of air on average you will put in your tires. This will help you determine how long it will take to inflate them. We personally never need over 20 minutes with the 400P to inflate all 4 tires, even after bringing them down to 20 psi to drive on the beach. Overall, we think the VIAIR 400P is a top-quality portable air compressor and is a great choice for off-road vehicles and campers. It's reliable and inflates your tires quickly, and we can't recommend it enough. Pros: inflates tires quickly. Overheating protection. Tire inflation gun with built-in PSI gauge. Automatic shutoff. Cons: none we can think of.